Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to set the cursor style inside your VS Code. By default it appears like this, actually your cursor. If you want to be if you want the cursor to be blinking, you can do this by going to the settings right here, and just inside your search bar simply search for cursor, and you will see all these styles will come right here. It basically controls the cursor style inside input mode. Currently set to line, but I can change this to underline as well. So now it changes to this underline, but I set it to line. And then there is this option right here, which is your, if you drag down, you will see cursor blinking. I set it to solid, but you can change this to blink. So now the cursor will be blinking like this. So in this easy way, you can change the cursor to be blinking by going to settings, but I changed this to solid. And you can even control actually the cursor style, multi cursor paste, all these settings are there. You will see cursor width, you can even control the terminal cursor as well, whether it should also blink or not. These are settings related to, you can even change the cursor color to black as well. So all these settings are related to cursor. You can just type, going to settings, just type cursor, and then you can play with these settings. And also check out my website guys, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.